Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and if you hear wind blowing around, that's because it's kind of windy today, but I wanted to share my summer container gardening that I have done. I am late getting started this year. I just planted everything at the beginning of July, and I usually do it in May. So things have been kind of hectic around here on the farm and stuff, so I was a little late. But I want to share, these are tomatoes, and I don't know if you can see them or not. But yeah, they're doing really good. And then I've got another tomato right here that's doing good. And then right in here is lettuce, and I do not see any lettuce yet. But over here, I am. There is green right here, which I don't know if you can see or not. There's some right there. One right here. I think that's all I can, oh, one right here coming up. So that's lettuce. And I'm just going to walk you through. I am planting tomato, lettuce, and beans. And in this one, it's going to be just wildflowers. I had a package of wildflowers. I just thought I would plant them and see what happens. Nothing's happened up there yet. And then over here is my beans, and they are doing really good. Got a bean here, a bean here, a bean right there, a bean right here. Over here, have a bean right here, here, there, and some are starting to come through the dirt, right there, and another one right here, right there, right here's one, right here, and right here. So, and this has been since probably the first week of July. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you this year and show you what I've planted, what's growing, and I will probably do another video in probably the next couple of weeks and show you any progress that has been made on, you know, the seeds, the lettuce, and the beans. The tomatoes doing really good. It looks like I've got 3 on there right now, so that's good. So anyway, thank you for watching my 2018 summer container gardening, and I'll be back in a couple of weeks with an update. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have a great day.